Welcome to StoryBake Academy, where every recipe is a discovery.
And every ingredient teaches something new.
Mom, look what I found.
Well now, Whisker, that's flour.
What's it for?
It's for baking. We'll make something yummy. Flour is one of the most important ingredients for baking.
Does it make cookies?
Yes, it does. Flour is also used to make bread.
Wow, that is amazing. How?
It's a long story, but it's a kind of magic.
I love magic.
Let's travel back thousands of years. About 10,000 years ago, people began growing wheat.
Wow. Really, see?
Of course! Look at these golden fields. This is where our flour comes from. Wheat is a grain that can be turned into flour. People crushed wheat using large stones.
Wow, Mom, stones, that was a lot of work.
That's why bread was so special. People crushed wheat using large stones.
Wow, how did it work?
They moved this top stone back and forth, grinding the grain.
So cool.
This process turned wheat into flour.
Wow, Mom, it's like magic.
It is, sweetie. People use stones to grind the wheat.
So that's how we get bread?
Exactly. They mixed flour and water to make dough.
Wow, can I help mix it?
Of course. Stir it all together. See how it changes? This is so fun.
It is.
Our own ancient dough. They cooked the dough on hot stones.
Hot stones, how?
First, we flatten the dough. Then we place it on the hot stone.
That's right. Soon it will be ready.
Later, ancient Egyptians became famous for baking bread. The Nile River helped wheat grow well.
Wow, Mom, it made the soil rich so wheat could grow. Cool.
One day, dough was left sitting out and wild yeast landed on it.
Wild yeast? What's that, Mom?
Tiny living organisms that make the dough rise.
Wow, that's so cool. The dough is growing.
Yes, Whisker. The yeast is making tiny bubbles that lift the dough.
Wow, so that's how bread gets fluffy?
Exactly. The Egyptians baked bread in clay ovens.
Wow, how does it work?
The fire inside gets very hot. Let's see.
And delicious.
They made many shapes of bread.
Wow, so many shapes. Each one is special.
Today, we still bake bread using similar ingredients.
Let's bake our own bread.
What a wonderful idea. Let's get our ingredients ready.
Flour first.
Yes, now add water to make a sticky dough. Now we knead it to make it smooth. Bread has fed people for thousands of years.
And now we know its story.